Hi, I'm Gary Fetters with Division I Bunkers. I'm in an undisclosed location in Arizona today, inside of a bunker house built with these insulated concrete forms. These are simply foam blocks that we stack up like Legos, reinforce them with steel rebar, typically every 6 inches on centers. And then we're going to pour it full of concrete, usually typically about a 3,000 psi mix. So stack them up, reinforce them, and pour them. Now this entire house is bulletproof, fireproof, disaster-proof, but the unique thing about this house, it has a hidden vault room off to the side here. We're standing in the garage right now. There'll be a hidden wall in front of this. These are our walls here. Again, they are steel reinforced, 3,000 psi, 6-inch solid concrete. Foam on both sides for insulation factor. But this vault room is a 12 by 25 foot room. Even the ceiling in here is concrete. There's concrete on top of that ceiling. It is approximately about 8 inches thick with a concrete beam about every 24 inches. Please check out more of our projects on division1bunkers.com. Thank you.